Hey guys, so just starting with this cup, I think I found this one at Ross. I just thought it was a cute like thermos style cup. So taking the lid off, and I prepped it with vinyl sand and then taped off just the top there and spray painting it all black, including the lid. So then I took the Martha Stewart liquid gilding gold paint. I love this paint. It's just so stunning. It just literally looks like melted gold. So this cup is really simple. I literally just splattered it all over the cup until I was happy with it. And it is very messy, so just make sure you keep that in mind. So then I let that dry for a day, and I did 3 layers of the epoxy on top of that. So then after the 3 coats were fully dry, I took the tape off and put the lid back on. And like I said, this was really simple, but I think it just turned out so pretty and elegant, and I just love this gold. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.